Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked if the point 5,3 is on the graph of an even function, what other point must also be on the graph? So if we have an even function, let's call it f. If f of x is on the graph, right, we know that f of x is equal to f of negative x. If the point 5,3 is on the graph, that means that f of 5 is equal to 3. The value of the function at x is equal to 5 is 3. Therefore, it's also equal to f of negative x, f of negative 5. If f of negative 5 is equal to 3, then the point negative 5, 3 is also on the graph. B, if the point 5,3 is on the graph of an odd function, what other point must be on the graph? For an odd function, f of negative x is equal to negative f of x. Therefore, if f of 5 equals 3, f of negative 5 is not equal to 3, it's equal to negative 3, negative of f of x. Therefore, the point negative 5, negative 3 is also on the graph. So this is for an even function, this is for an odd function, if the point 5,3 is on the graph.